In today's video, I will walk you through how to tag everyone on Telegram. If you're in a Telegram group and you want to get everyone's attention at once, you might be looking for a way to mention all the members in a single message. Telegram doesn't have a standard built-in @everyone feature like some other messaging platforms, but there are a few ways to notify multiple members, depending on what you're trying to do. If you're in a relatively small group, the most direct approach is good old-fashioned manual tagging. Type the symbol in the chat box, and Telegram will pop up a list of members. You can tap through and tag people individually. Now, I know what you're thinking. That takes forever if there are 50 people in here. And you're right. If you have a massive community, doing that one by one is a nightmare. What are some other options if you're running a larger group or channel? If you're an admin in a group, you can pin an important announcement to the top of the chat. When you pin a message, Telegram gives you the option to notify all members. Everyone in the chat gets a direct alert, bypassing the need to type out individual tags entirely. Another popular trick is replying directly to a member's recent message with your announcement. While it doesn't tag everyone at once, it creates a notification thread that pulls active participants right back into the conversation. Some group owners install custom moderation bots that allow an @all or @everyone trigger phrase. However, Telegram's platform updates frequently change how bots interact with member lists for privacy reasons, meaning some bots handle this smoothly, while others get blocked or muted by Telegram's anti-spam filters. And that's the reality of tagging everyone on Telegram, a mix of manual mentions, pinned notifications, and smart bot tools. If this quick guide cleared things up for you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you know another cool workaround. See you next time.